Hi. Hi, Ronan. What? What does that mean? What are you saying?
You're under arrest.
What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You telling me a story? Are you telling me a story? Hi. What kind of story are you telling me? You telling me what you did today? What'd you do today? Ronan.